This beat is taking a long time to come in. Awkward silence.
Woo! Yeah!
I just talked to the police.
Make some fucking noise!
This is my hype man. Hype woman. You probably turn the beat up a bit.
Oh yeah, it's, is that it? Is
Yeah,
that song one?
yeah, should be song one, yeah.
Okay, cool. This is one.
Yeah.
I can't play the last one for some reason. So that.
Well, that's probably not good. Hopefully. Yeah, so you should all stand up or come forward or rock your hips or dance or clap or don't do shit. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, check it. My name is Gross Boy, but you can call me Gross Boy. I'm unemployed and I'm currently annoyed with the money hungry population populated areas that they was never meant to be in. I'm feeding for a rifle and a reason, but they took away my right to rifles. Now I have to sneak them in to a theater or a church. The latter more deserving than the first. I burst, I spray men and women in the face like mace at an occupied dance party, burning down the place. Not the pigs nor the military stopping me now. I blow clouds so thick like G20 rallies. I'm rowdy with the shots already fired, so I put them all to sleep cause they look pretty tired. Yeah, and that's the way we colonize. No borders, no gods, no concern, no pride. Ride for the people that would fight for you. But if they use you as a shield, what have you got to lose? The truth is slightly hard to hear. I've heard it all before, but it's still ringing in my ear. What's up, Las Vegas? You should all just jump up, young punks, make the floor thump. He's about to make the dance floor blow up like Obama. Pay homage to the best thing you've ever heard since fucking Oliver Hart. Don't start on the cart of being angry. Yeah, I got a big heart, but that don't change a damn thing. I make the earth bounce so hard, more I wonder what's happening to me. As I speak to authority, when they tell me that it's too loud, I make the walls lean kneel to me. Head spin till it's midweek, October 2013. Nod your head till your eyes start to bleed and your nose start to leak and your ears start to bleed. Now you wanna scream the seas on the ground till your heart stops and you quit moving around. So get down, discreet ain't the way I roll. Leaning out the car, scream obscenities at the blue. This town ain't used to how I get down. Self-taught deity, straight from the underground. I came from the underground, straight up. I've been buried for a decade now. Shut up, I'm a warrior with no rights. Scraping on my weed pipe, trying to discuss the topic chosen by my insight. This might not sit well with you. I have nothing else I care to prove. I'm done with loose lipped little fucks, bringing down my high just to try to get a night. I ain't interested, homie. She's speaking about politics.